Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. You are watching my channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. And hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Today I will be sharing with you a very interesting websites with the help of which you can learn some topics. You can learn lots of topics with free audio podcasts and computer basic skills, Google Docs, screen reader, daily living, mobility, braille, and lots more in one website. And the website is free for all users. So without any delay, let's get started. Today I will be talking about the website called Hadley. The URL is hadley.edu. I have also shared the URL in our official Telegram channel and the description box in this video. So here you need to sign up and then you can explore the courses. So I will just give you an idea how to sign up and what is the overview of this site, because the site is very accessible and you can easily navigate with your keyboard. So without any delay, let's begin with sign up. To sign up Hadley, you have to go to the sign up option.
Banner land main quiz link learn out of list link donate buttons main land banner landmark login button sign up button.
So I am pressing enter on sign up button.
Choose your contrast dialog. Clickable choose your.
If you are a full blind person, you don't need to do anything, just enter and skip button. But if you are a low vision users, you can choose your text color and text size from the first two screen. For now, I am skipping because I know most of our viewers are visually impaired.
Skip button, no next, back button, skip button, choose your size.
Now in the second screen, you can choose the text size, small, large or medium. So the same is applicable here. I am clicking on
skip button.
Skip button.
Hadley Vision clickable sign up once, free always, full access, heading level 2, sign up once, free always.
So sign up once, free always. So I need to sign
your choice, quick sign up with your link graphic Facebook.
Don't sign up with your Facebook or Google or Yahoo, whatever.
Link or create and save your profile. Link sign up.
So just click on link sign up.
Step 1 of 4 heading level 2.
Now here you need to type your official email ID. So I'm typing my email ID.
Ratul Basak official. AIMG@ Email edit focused required Ratul spell ARATULBASAKOFFIGMAIL.com.
So I have typed my official email ID. Now I am pressing tab.
Show password checkbox checked.
So now I need to create a password.
Not checked. Create password 6 characters.
Now I am creating a password. Let me create.
Num lock on. Next button.
So I am clicking on next button.
Dialog save password. Alert this dialog. Link skip to main. Banner land main navigation visited link about us. Main landmark home heading level. Make this site your own. Heading 3 ways for you to look. Heading level 3 link workshops. Audio podcast discussion needs no next link skipped main visited link about us sign up button.
Sorry
main
friends,
banner,
somehow I have logged out or I have time out from
choose your contrast. Skip no next back but skip but click a skip but. Hadley Vision clickable sign up once. Facebook graphic Google Yahoo sign up link. Step 1 of 4 edit email editor require. Ratul blank in Ratul Basak com create password 6 character show not check create book. Next button. Dialog save password. What is your name? Grouping. First name edit required in.
So in the second screen you have to enter your
name. What is your name?
First
Out
name.
Of grouping first name. Edit
so I am entering my first name.
Ratul. Last name edit required invalid entry blank.
Last name, it's very simple.
Basak. Next button.
I'm clicking on next.
Step 2 of 4. Step 2 of 4. Step 3 of 4. Heading focused level grouping relationship to visual impairment.
Relationship to visual impairment.
Checkbox not checked. Personal. I am visually impaired.
Personal. I am visually impaired.
Checked.
Okay.
Checkbox not checked. Friends and family. Checkbox not checked. Professional. Checkbox not checked. Other. Please specify. Checkbox not checked. Professional. Checked.
So I'm also check on professional.
Not checked. Out of grouping button. Next.
Sorry. Okay, I'm clicking on next.
Unavailable. Step 3 of 4. Step 4 of 4. Dialog. Grouping. How did you hear about Hadley? Checkbox not checked. Doctor.
Doctor.
Checkbox not checked. Friend/family.
So here just you need to add the reference.
Checkbox not checked. Library. Checkbox not checked. News. Checkbox not checked. Online. Checkbox not checked. School/university. Checkbox not checked. State agency/vision rehab. Checkbox not checked. Support group. Checkbox not checked. Other. Please specify. Checkbox not checked. Support group.
So you can just click on support group or online.
Checkbox not checked. Online. Check.
Okay, I'm checking this because you can able to know about Hadley from our official YouTube channel.
Check by out of grouping button. Let's go.
So click on just let's go. Let's see what will happen.
Unavailable. Step 4 of 4. Congratulations, you are now logged into Hadley. Dialog. Button continue.
Okay.
Heading level 2. Congratulations, you are now.
So this is the way you can sign up. Now I'm clicking on continue button.
Button. Hadley Vision Resources 100 years of empowering adults with vision. Main edit button. Change contrast and heading level 2. Explore.
Okay, so this is the explore
Heading
site.
level 3. What would you like to learn now?
What would you like to learn now? So let's select your learning topics.
Link daily living.
Daily living.
Link adjusting to vision loss.
Adjusting to vision loss.
Link recreation.
Recreation.
Link technology.
Technology.
Link braille.
Braille.
Link working.
Working.
Heading level 2. What's new?
What's new? The new topics are listed here.
New. Heading level 4. Link cooking. Measuring dry ingredients.
Cooking.
Workshop.
Workshop.
Link more new. Heading level 2. Audio podcasts.
Audio podcasts. You can listen audio podcasts.
List with 1 items. Heading level 4. Link Hadley presence. A conversation with the experts. Listen in as we get the inside scoop from experts on the wide range of topics unique to vision loss.
Okay, so there are lots of topics.
Heading list with 3 items. Link braille for everyday use. Out of list. Heading level 5. Latest episodes.
Latest episodes.
List with 3 items.
Braille
Link
for
braille
everyday
for everyday
use.
use. Link Gretchen Rubin on Link emotional adjustment to vision loss. Twin perspectives.
Emotional adjustment to vision loss. Twin perspectives.
Out of list.
Okay.
Link all episodes.
So I'm just
chime in.
giving you an overview of this site because this site is very accessible. This site is specially designed for visually impaired users.
Link all content info. Copyright 2020. List with 2 items. Visited. Link about Hadley. Links out of list. Link Facebook.
So now
Skip to banner mainland button. Change contrast and
let me select a topic. Then let's see what are the insights there.
heading level 3. What would you like to learn now? Link daily living. Link adjusting to link link technology.
So I'm just clicking on technology because I love to learn technology.
Banner land link skip main okay and technology with topic. Heading level 3.
Okay, so in technology, which topic do you want to learn?
Link Android.
Android.
Link Apple.
Apple.
Link computer skills.
Computer skills.
Link books.
Books.
Link Alexa and Zoom.
Alexa and Zoom.
Heading level 3 Android.
Android. So let's see what is the topics
List
in
with 2
Android.
items. Heading level 4 Link Android. Low Android phones come with built-in low vision features. Adjust your magnification, color, font size.
So everything about Androids,
And much
you
more.
will get some
Heading level 4 Link
trainings.
Listen with
Okay.
Talkback series.
Listen with Talkback series. You can listen all the series the Hadley made for you.
Discover Android's Talkback feature when you can't see the screen. Listen in Apple. Heading level list with 13 items. iPhone/iPad.
Let's see,
Listen with voiceover iPhone.
There are also some topics of Apple, iPhone, iPad. Okay, so you can just explore yourself and you can easily learn everything, anything, whatever you want, you can learn from Hadley.
Listen with voiceover series. Link calls, texts and emails series link heading web browsing writing series link head entertain writings. Discover how to use iPhone/iPad.
Okay, so now let
Seeing
me
AI app series link heading.
tell you.
Swift Playground, Apple list with getting on keyboard insert, getting on computer skills heading level 3.
So in computer skills, let's see what are the options there.
List with 7 items heading level 4, link getting online. Learn the basics of getting online and navigating websites.
Learn the basics online and navigating websites. Every topic you can
Getting
find
online.
here.
Screen keyboarding series link heading.
Keyboarding series.
Customizing Windows for low.
Customizing Windows for low vision.
Windows narrator series link heading.
Windows narrator series. You can learn lots of tricks and tips. Also lots of lessons about your narrator.
Google Docs low vision series link heading level
Google
4.
Docs. This is for low vision.
Google Docs screen reader series link heading level 4.
Google Docs screen reader series. You can learn everything from Google Docs about Google Docs with your screen reader.
Books heading level 3.
Books. So let me
list with 4 items heading level 4, link digital talking book standard player series.
Digital talking book standard player series.
Digital talking book BART low vision series link BART screen reader series link
Screen
heading level
reader
Alexa and
series.
Zoom heading level.
Alexa and Zoom.
List with 2 items Alexa series link heading Zoom series link heading level 4.
Zoom series, how to use Zoom, how can we handle the Zoom, how can we create meetings, everything.
Learn how to join a Zoom conference call. We'll cover the basics of a Zoom invite, how to join by phone, computer or discussion groups heading level 2.
So there are lots of discussion groups. If you want, you can
Heading
join.
level 3 all. List with 1 items heading level 4 link check it out. 4th Tuesday of every month, 7 p.m. Central Time. Next date 02/22/2022.
Okay, so there are lots of
heading
groups.
level 2.
Audio podcasts.
Heading level 3 all. List with 1 items heading level 4 link Hadley presents a conversation with the experts.
Okay, so Hadley presents a conversation with the experts. You can easily explore this website on your own. I'm not showing you because it takes so much time, and I'm sure you have not enough passion to listen to me or to watch the video. So that's why I am ending this video right now. If you love this website, if you love this small tutorial or small resources which I have collected for you, please like the video, share the video with your friends and family and also social media groups. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. And if you're new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know your opinion into the comment section. Thanks for watching.